Check it out, guys. First XKR. Jaguar, 4.2 liter. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. That's what it sounds like before. Sound decibels, go ahead. So right at 86. One more. So it doesn't sound too bad. You guys are gonna be pleasantly surprised. There's like 6 different mufflers and resonators on this thing. Stay tuned, we're gonna change it to make it sound a lot better. Guys, we got an absolute gem in here. Look at this thing. 2005 Jaguar XKR. What a beauty. 66 original 1,000 miles. What a beautiful piece of machinery. That's when Jaguars were like mint, like that. Anyways, let me show you guys what we done. So cat. Then we took the mid resonator out. I'll show it to you guys. It's over there. And the 2 back resonators and run an X pipe in its place. 2 vibrant resonators. Part number, I hate you vibrant for doing parts so small. 1792. Vibrant, if you're watching, again, make this part number big again over here. It won't hurt you. It won't cost that much. Change it from that. Put it back like it was. 1792. There'll be a link in the description for the vibrants. Then 2.5-inch stainless steel pipe. Then it goes over the rear end. Everything else stayed stock, the mufflers. And then we also did change the tips on it because the old tips were wore out. You guys can see they are a bolt-on, which is cool design, but they're wore out. You see that? See that? So we found the same type of tips and put them on for them, but a little bit bigger so they look a lot cleaner than the old ones. It just fits it a lot nicer, amplifies the look of it. It's an XKR 4.2 liter Jaguar, supercharged, all the way from Cali. Brings back a lot of memories of California for me. Anyways, there it is. Here's the resonator that was on it, and there's the 2 back resonators that were on. So we took all that out and replaced it. Did a lot of weight reduction and a lot cleaner looking. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. All right, guys, here we go. 2005 Jaguar XKR 4.2 liter supercharged. Go ahead. Nice clean idle on it. Here's sound decibels at startup. Right at 72. All right, give it gas. Came out clean. That sounds absolutely phenomenal. Again. Between the X-pipe and the vibrants, it cleans up the sound a lot and keeping the mufflers doesn't drone. I love it. Again. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 100. Perfect. Again. Sounds classy too. Now just say barely like not. Don't peak it. Go ahead. So you can hear if you're not peaking it, it's clean and deep. Again. That sounds absolutely phenomenal. All right. I'm gonna let you guys hear it outside in a second. Stay tuned. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's a beautiful shop. We are right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike, where the construction never ends. They're building 300 apartments there. They're building a lumber yard here right beside us. Absolutely fun. Anyways, back to the action. Those tips fitted perfectly. That's how it should have came from the factory. Go ahead. It's even cleaner when it warmed up. Again. Yeah, it's a beautiful car too. Takes a little bit from the Viper and the Ferrari. Like, look. You can hear the supercharger wind up. Go ahead. That's phenomenal. Pop the hood. I love it. Give me gas. The original Hellcat, bro. Again. That's funny. Or instead of Hellcat, no, Jaguar is a cat. So yeah, that works. Came out sounding really nice. We nailed it. He loves it. It's perfect. I'm so glad he likes it. We were worried for a minute, but I knew Exhaust Addicts team can do it right. So it's got vibrant mids, X-pipe. So the whole middle section of 2 resonator setups were gone. Oh yeah, there you go. That's the owner revving it. What a beautiful automobile. I love it. Ah, it's clean. You can still hear it. That's really clean. Enjoy, guys.